Thousand Islands Kayaking offers a picturesque alternative office space to share with your team. It includes quiet bays, inlets, national park islands, and a comfortable sea kayak to experience the unrivaled beauty that is the Thousand Islands. An office group getaway is the perfect way to rejuvenate your staff while sharing a unique and exciting experience. We take care of everything so you can connect with your team, relax, and enjoy the benefits of becoming a more cohesive and productive group. No experience is necessary, the food is amazing, and the islands are stunning. We will provide you with high-end touring kayaks, all the necessary safety gear, professional guides, an introductory lesson, and best of all, a gourmet island lunch. Team building with Thousand Islands Kayaking is the safe adventure you need to take your organization to the next level. Choose from our full-day, half-day, or weekend camping trips to best suit your schedule. To book your office group or build a custom program for your team, visit thousandislandskayaking.com.